Hello, and welcome to our training series on Quality Assurance in Textile and Garments Manufacturing. In today's video, we will talk about Module 15, Inspection Documentation and Archiving. In this video, you will learn why documentation matters in QA, key QA documents to maintain, sample inspection report format, archiving best practices, digital record-keeping tools, real factory scenario, missing inspection report, document review checklist, how QA documentation helps continuous improvement. Why documentation matters in QA. Let's start with why documentation is so important in quality assurance. Proper documentation serves as proof of inspection and compliance, supporting you during internal and buyer audits, regulatory checks, and when resolving customer complaints. It also helps identify repeating quality issues so teams can take corrective action. Good documentation improves communication across departments and provides legal and regulatory protection in case of disputes. Key QA documents to maintain. Here are the core QA documents every garments facility should maintain. Inspection reports document defects found, actions taken, and pass-fail decisions. Sample approval forms records of buyer approvals for PP, top, or size sets. Lab test reports results from shrinkage, color fastness, or safety testing. Audit reports internal or external audits of your QA processes. Training records proof that QA staff have been properly trained. Material inspection reports results of incoming fabric and trim inspections. Keeping these up to date ensures accountability and smooth operations. Sample inspection report format. This slide shows what a standard inspection report might look like. You'll notice key fields such as style number, inspection type, date, and inspector's name, the sample size and any defects found, a clear result, pass or fail, and final remarks. Such structured reports provide consistency and make audits much easier to manage. Archiving best practices. Archiving is just as important as creating the report. Use both physical folders and digital formats like Excel or Google Drive. Always label documents clearly by style number, PO, and date. Use a standard naming format like Styleno PO type inspection type date.pdf. As for retention, keep records for 6 to 12 months for regular orders. For compliance-sensitive buyers, retain documents for at least 2 years. These practices help with traceability and protect your factory during audits. Digital record-keeping tools. There are great tools to manage QA records digitally. Excel or Google Sheets, easy to update and customize. ERP systems, these integrate with production and store records automatically. Cloud storage, Dropbox or Google Drive makes documents easy to access and reduces paper. QA software offers dashboards, tracking, and analytics for inspection trends. Using these tools enhances efficiency and transparency. Real factory scenario, missing inspection report. Let's look at a real-world example. A buyer's audit team visited a factory and requested a top inspection report from 3 months earlier. Unfortunately, the report was missing due to poor archiving. The factory received a non-compliance note, and the buyer's trust was shaken. The lesson here? Always back up your QA files and assign someone responsible for archiving. Document review checklist.
Before archiving any report, use this quick checklist. Are all fields filled? Date, inspector, findings? Are there signatures from QA and supervisor? Are photos attached? If needed? Have actions on rejections been noted? Is the document stored properly? This checklist helps prevent errors and prepares your documents for any future review. How QA documentation helps continuous improvement. Documentation isn't just about record keeping, it drives continuous improvement. You can track data over time and spot recurring issues. Use reports for root cause analysis. Real inspection reports serve as great training material. It also builds buyer trust by showing transparency. Think of your documents as tools to make your processes smarter and more reliable. Quick summary, Module 15. Documentation is essential for QA success. It supports audits, buyer approvals, and training. Use clear formats and consistent archiving methods. Maintain both digital and physical records when possible. Assign a QA coordinator or admin to oversee record keeping. By doing these, your QA system will run smoother and gain buyer confidence. Thank you for joining this training session. We hope you learned something valuable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. See you in Module 16. Benefits of a strong quality assurance system.